So I'm Ivana. I'm from Colombia. I came like a year before I started studying here, and I studied English. It was like really cool to look like the culture here and everything. But I struggled a lot to know like where should I go to study. And then I looked to Ensign College, and it seemed like really like all the things I wanted. And I lived with my family. I finished high school and then came like 1 year after. I just thought like it would be really cool to like come here because there are like more opportunities, and also like all the culture here. Like I really like it, and also I mean I'm into Colombian culture, but I think it's really cool to like meet people here in Ensign from like all around the world. Yeah, I think that for international students to the United States is like a really hard thing to do, and there are like many things to do, and I think like the cultural shock also like affect me at first, but then like you keep learning, and I think like it is such a blessing to have people with you that are like supporting you, and like my family and the friends I met here, and that was like a blessing for me. Yeah, I was like 6 months here where I didn't have like any like real friends that you feel like comfortable with, but then I realized that I have to like change my mindset and like be more open to like new people, because I used to be like super attached to my friends in Colombia. I just started like meeting people, and actually a friend of mine that has like many friends helped me a lot. I started to be like more open to people, and I started having like a group of friends that I'm really comfortable with now. I really like about Ensign that it is small, so it is not like a big university. Well, you just go to class and go to home and that's all, and do homework and stuff. You actually feel like the teachers and all the people there care for you, and they not care just like for your grades and everything, but your like mental health too. And that's really cool. The devotionals and all these spiritual things that Ensign has, it is like a blessing for all the students. Having like the opportunity to come here and study like in the United States is like a big thing. All the opportunities that Ensign has, like the scholarships, as I told you, like the spiritual part and all the devotionals and all that, it is like really special for me. And the fact that it is like small make me like feel like home. In Bogota, like people, like it is like a university here. Like you just go and have class and just do homework and don't have like time to do other activities. But here in Ensign we have like at least like 3 activities per week. So that's really cool, and I love that, and we always have food, and I love that. Take all the opportunities that you have on your path, and like have a clear like goal for your life, so that you know like what path to take and what opportunities to take, and to take advantage of like everything that goes into your path. And that's what Ensign like taught me.